More steps, eh, Sam? Wow, Sam. We're parked just behind that camper van there in somebody's garden. Fantastic location though. And although it's in somebody's garden, the facilities are brilliant, so can't argue with where we're at. And that building to the right of the one that's got a cabana on it, that's the Museum of Land Speed. Might go in there later. You see those flags on the beach? Those are an indicator of a border, and if there's somebody manning those flags and they're all red, that means you're not allowed to go past them, because there's an army firing range, and so all out there could well be live ordnance. I haven't heard anybody firing anything, so I don't know if they still do that. And over there in the distance is a low plane. So the cache is just over there on the other hillside. Problem is, you've got to walk all the way down and then all the way back up again. That'll definitely test out the lungs. Well, that's the down bit done. Just got to get up there now. Bloody geocaching. I think that must be a World War II defence structure. Because I think you could have done an invasion through that, but with that in the way, bloody hell. I like to think that that's where it's been hit and withstood the artillery. So I think that's Saundersfoot, that's Tenby, and that's Caldy Island. See, my lungs did survive. I've managed to make it. The cache is just over there apparently. Come on, Sam. Here goes the dangerous brother. So you might think that motorhoming was for old fogies that are nerds. And while I don't dispute that I'm a nerdy old fogey, I've got to say, this is amazing lifestyle. Having a great time. You're an Essex boy, Sammy. Why did you go in and ask the groomer to give you a Welsh dragon's tail? Are you proud of that dragon's tail? How's this for a weekday commute? That's Tenby over in the distance. And there's the Cordy Islands, and you can see how shallow the beach is. It goes out for a couple of 100 yards, and it comes in and out quick, albeit shallow. You can see where it gets up to from high tide. I mean, Pendine Sands is a gorgeous place. The Welsh and their secrets, eh? Sam! That's the scene from Baywatch. Play Islands. Good boy, Sam. Oh yeah.
Is that? Cafe Triath. And where do all good books end up?